they had a peculiar problem. You know, they used to get about 3 to 4 truckloads of kraft paper every day. They make corrugated boxes. Their stockyard itself is huge, okay? Something like 40 meters by 20 meters. Alex, correct me if I'm wrong. And you know, these paper rolls come typically in about 5.5 tons. तो समझो बजाज का एक ऑर्डर आया, 3 टन मैंने यूज कर दी, तो 2 टन कहाँ पड़ा पता नहीं चलता था. तो now what they do is, as soon as the material is received, when they do a GRN, an auto-generated code is affixed on each roll, and that tracking takes place right up to the sales invoice. So which means that कौन सा roll 22 GSM का roll मैंने यूज किया और कितना पड़ा है instantaneously पता चल जाता है. And their MD is so strict that the last day of the month, every month, religiously stock taking takes place between system stock and physical stock. Match होना ही होना है. He has reached a level of 100% accuracy. System stock and material stock. Why wouldn't the investment pay back for itself? Very first year, he's got a return of 17% on his inventory. That time the inventory was 4.61 crores, 4 years back. So you can imagine. Payback to hona hi hai. Next. So the gentleman, he is a director of marketing in this company. You know, like this we hold a lot of seminars. So we said, why don't we invite some of the users to come and speak and their experience, share their experience with the audience about using the ERP system. So he started with a sentence saying, I'm able to go home at 6 o'clock. How many of you all are able to go home at 6 o'clock? Jadhav ji? Huh? We can make it happen. Next. We now get into the core ERP. We could have purchases both local as well as imports. Next. And we could have customers, both domestic customers as well as overseas customers. We could be manufacturing different kinds of items. Next. These are the options. People talk about cloud computing that can be enabled even today, but still that concept is not picked up so much in India for 2 reasons. One reason is that whether my data, which is in somebody else's server, is safe. Though there are a lot of firewalls and, you know, the very good reputed companies who are offering this, but still the mindset of many promoters or directors of companies are that, is my data safe? One issue. 2 issue, especially in the SME segment, it's still not yet affordable. I've attended quite a few seminars, one by Microsoft and a couple of others. The costing is something like say, let me take the example of Microsoft Dynamics. They have their ERP solution. It costs 5,160 rupees. See the difference. First, let me tell the difference. When you do it on the cloud, you don't need to have a server. You don't need to have the attendant software and all that, you know, licensed software and all that. Everything is provided by them. So people feel, yeah, there's a big cost saving. Yes, it is. But what is the cost of running my ERP over a period of time? That's a thing that needs to be taken into account. What they charge is user license fee per person per month. Microsoft Dynamics, in association with Zensar, Zensar is the local outfit which helps them in doing this, cloud computing, 5,160 per person per user, per month. Per user per month. And the minimum is 10. So it's 50,000 odd per month, which makes it 6 lakhs per annum. And once you're going to have an ERP, it's going to be there for next 3 years, 5 years, 10 years. So you can work out your own costing. Next, ours is developed on .NET, ASP.NET. It's a web-based solution. Next. Yeah, it does give you a competitive advantage. Next. We start with security. Next. So we talked about security. You have various menus in the ERP system. What menus is that? The departments in layman's language. There's purchase, there is stores, there is which is called inventory, production, accounts, so on and so forth. So, and each menu has typically 3 things: a master, a transaction, and a report. Okay? So, who's going to be assigned what? These 3 are sub-menus of the main menu. What authority I should give, whether the person can see, whether the person can even enter data. The top management obviously will have access to all the menus and the sub-menus. Okay. The key to ERP, be it any type of activity, any organization, manufacturing or trading or anything, or any product you make, it doesn't matter. The key is the masters. Masters are like the foundation of the ERP. The stronger the masters, stronger is going to be your ERP. जितनी भी बड़ी इमारत चाहिए उतना खड़ा कर सकते हो. और इसमें 4 masters are very critical. 1 is your item master. 2, customer master. 3, your vendor or your supplier master. And 4th is your accounts master. Okay. And these are all one-time inputs. एक बार बना दिया, lifelong it's there. You can keep adding to the list, right? And among the 4, the most critical is your item master, because any activity is going to revolve around that. There is automatic audit trail. So once you have the user login and ID, nobody can say, sir, ये PO मैंने नहीं बनाया. सिस्टम बता देगा किसने बनाया, कब बनाया, कितना बजे बनाया, वो भी बता देगा. और समझो उसने बनाया और किसी ने प्रिंट आउट निकाला, वो भी बता देगा कि किसने प्रिंट आउट निकाला. To that extent, the audit trail is available. Next. Like I said, authentication and authorization is important. Can allow or deny access of a menu or a sub-menu. Next. This is where we assign the login password to each user. Next. This single slide explains the entire gamut of ERP. Right from an inquiry. Once you have an inquiry, you make a quotation. Once you make a quotation, the quotation is accepted, you get the order, and then the activity starts. Okay. So let's start from inquiry. आपके पास 100 इंक्वायरी आए थे एक गिवन पीरियड में, उसकी 50 कोटेशन बनी. तो मैनेजमेंट शुड आस्क द मार्केटिंग स्टाफ कि भाई ये 100 इंक्वायरी आई थी, 50 की कोटेशन चलेगी, बाकी 50 की क्या हुई? तो कारण बताएगा, नहीं सर वो सीरियस नहीं था, वो ऐसे फ़ोन करके पूछ लिया था, इसलिए वो इंक्वायरी में डाल दिया, उसको चाहिए नहीं. तो आप उसको रिमार्क्स में डाल दो उसको. तो आपकी अभी जब तक आपका कोटेशन एक्सेप्ट नहीं होता तब तक ऑर्डर नहीं मिलेगा आपको. तो यू सेंड आउट द कोटेशन, 50 कोटेशंस यू हैव मेड एंड सेंट, उसमें से 10 ही ऑर्डर आए,